Tower, hello, Brickyard 5778, over patch you for the RNAV X-ray 31.
Brickyard 5778, LaGuardia Tower, runway 31, clear the line, traffic runway 4, holds in position.
Copy all, runway 31, clear the line, Brickyard 5778. Brickyard 5778, going around.
Brickyard 5778, turn left by runway heading, maintain 2000, traffic departing runway 4, left to right, CRJ.
Runway heading up to 2000, Brickyard 5778.
Brickyard 5778, maintain 3000.
I maintain 3000, Brickyard 5778.
Thank you, Brickyard 5778, turn right heading 340.
Right heading 340, Brickyard 5778.
Alright, Brickyard 5778, contact departure on 134.9, reflect the line of the bay of taxi.
34.9, Brickyard 5778. Departure hello, Brickyard 5778 on the go around, climbing 2000 for 3000. We need vectors, we need to figure out an issue.
Brickyard 5778 New York, climb to 4000.
I maintain 4000, Brickyard 5778.
Brickyard 5778, turn left heading 230, speed 180.
Left 230, speed 180. We're just going to need some delay vectors to get back to the field, 5778.
Brickyard 5778, how long you need?
Just give us at least 5 minutes. We got a hydraulic to low pressure.
Okay, you declaring an emergency?
Not at this time.
Okay, just 180 on a 230 heading, and that'll give you plenty of time. If you need more, just let me know.
Wilco, 180 on a 230 heading, Brickyard 5778. For Brickyard 5778, we're going to plan for a long final into 31 into LaGuardia.
I'm sorry, say again?
We're going to need vectors for a long final straight in.
Straight into 4?
5778.
I'm sorry, you wanted it straight into 4?
Negative 231.
Let me see if we can get that airspace for you. Hang on. Brickyard 5778, you want the localizer 31 or the RNAV Zulu?
RNAV Zulu, please.
Brickyard 5778, supervisor just wants fuel remaining and how many on board, and just repeat what your issue is, hydraulic issue, is that right?
Yeah, it's a hydraulic system to low pressure and low quantity. We'll get back to you with the rest of it. 1 second for 5778. We're 58 souls on board and 6,000 pounds of fuel, Brickyard 5778.
Brickyard 5778, roger, turn left heading 090.
Left 090, Brickyard 5778.
Brickyard 5778, turn left heading 050, and do you want assistance after landing? You want us to roll the vehicles? Brickyard 5778, turn left 050.
5778 in the turn 050. We are going to need assistance after landing, and as well as a tow off the runway. We are going to have no nose wheel steering.
Okay. Brickyard 5778, sliding 030.
And for Brickyard 5778, change of plans. Any chance we get a vector to Kennedy? We're going to need a longer runway.
Okay, stand by. We'll have that for you.
Thanks.
Did you want a heading for Brickyard 5778?
Brickyard 5778, you are cleared to Kennedy via radar vectors, heading 030, maintain 4,000. I'll have runway assignment for you shortly. ATC Papa.
Okay, heading 030, we'll maintain 4,000. You know what runway they're landing real quick?
Brickyard 5778, you can expect runway 31 left, fly heading of 070.
Okay, runway 31 left in the turn 070, Brickyard 5778.
Brickyard 5778, heading 090, contact approach 125.7.
Heading 09025.7, Brickyard 5778. Approach hello, Brickyard 5778, 4000, heading 090.
Brickyard 5778, approach hello. Information pop occurring at Kennedy. Expect ILS runway 31 left approach.
Okay, we'll expect the ILS-3, one left. We do have pop-up for Brickyard 5778.
And Brickyard 5778, flighting 130. I understand it's a hydraulic failure. What sort of base burn mileage did you want today?
For Brickyard 5778, we're turning 130. Just anywhere outside of Zax would work fine for Brickyard 5778.
Roger that. Brickyard 5778, speed is your discretion.
Speed is our discretion, Brickyard 5778. And Tower, Brickyard 5778. By chance, could you let, approach, could you let our company know?
Do you want us to advise your company of the emergency, Brickyard 5778?
Yes, please.
Sure, yep, we'll do that. Brickyard 5778, heading 160.
Heading 160 for Brickyard 5778. Brickyard 5778 would like to request a descent.
Brickyard 5778, just to maintain 3000.
Descent maintain 3000, Brickyard 5778.
Brickyard 5778, turn right, heading 200.
Right, heading 200, Brickyard 5778.
Brickyard 5778, flighting 220, just to maintain 2000.
220 down to 2000, Brickyard 5778.
Brickyard 5778, 10 for meals, turn right heading 280, maintain 2000 till status localizer cleared, ILS runway 31 left approach.
280 heading, 2000 till established, short clear for the ILS runway 31 left, Brickyard 5778.
Brickyard 5778, speed is your discretion, contact tower 191, have a good day.
Alright, over 191, speed is ours, Brickyard 5778. Tower, hello, Brickyard 5778, emergency aircraft for ILS 31 left.
Brickyard 5778, Kane Tower, couple of departures prior to arrival, wind 35013, number 13 on left to the land.
Runway 31 left, clear the land, Brickyard 5778, and just make sure that message passed along, we will be stopping on the runway.
They didn't tell us that, Brickyard 5778, but the runway is yours.
Alright, also just in case you didn't know, we will need emergency equipment to meet us.
We are already rolled the trucks, Brickyard 5778, whatever you need to do after you land, the runway is yours.
Perfect, thanks a lot. 31 left, clear the land, Brickyard 5778.
If you can't answer, Brickyard 5778, you think you need to tow off?
Affirmative, we need to tow off Brickyard 5778.
Roger. Brickyard 5778, so you stop there, the emergency response vehicles are pulling up to you right now. You can change to 12165, they'll be talking to you. Truck 1 is the call sign for you.
Alright, 2165, Truck 1, Brickyard 5778.